was. It's probably fine.
All the grocery store operators are, it's a great idea, but, and there's 3,000 homes.
All right, go. That thing is so awesome.
They want what they want.
All right, take it out. What, Jack?
You know where the battery was?
What battery?
The battery for the Hawk.
No, was it in it? What did you do with it?
I got it. I don't remember.
Coming after you, Ray.
I gotta get it trimmed. Yeah, it's bad.
It's like worse. The sun's worse over there.
Yeah.
Because it's like
Can't see this thing.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
gear check. Landing from the left. Did we just switch pattern, I guess?
Do whatever you want.
All right, I'm landing from the left. There's no wind.
No, do whatever you want. Right into the sun.
Very unsafe low path from the right. This is for Chris Orsini, the safety officer.
All right, I'm doing one from the left right now.
I'm almost clear, guys. Yeah, see, Nate, the sun's terrible down there. It's just like, you can't see anything past the halfway line.
This is for Chris Orsini, our safety officer.
I'm clear, guys.
Ah!
I'm very scared!
I'm so scared right now!
You know, this thing isn't that fast, but it's got scale power. Photo pass from the right.
Alright. 30 seconds.
Whoa, look at that. That was cool.
Your trim buttons don't like to work sometimes.
No, they don't, especially when it's colder.
Are you landing?
No. Just setting my trim because it won't fly straight. I'm fighting it the whole time.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Oh, bird!
3,
Oh, shit, I almost hit that damn bird out there.
1.
And it won't move either, that's the crazy thing. I've almost hit it twice. I don't feel safe with you doing that. Don't feel safe at all.
Especially with an 18-inch prop coming at your face.
Yeah. All right, I'm landing.
I'm going to video bomb you.
Yeah, you're definitely bombing because you're all in it right now. It's right there again.
Don't crash. Thank you.
I like that turf. Turf is pretty sweet. Works good.
Ray, you want to feel unsafe?
Now I can fly hand.
You want to
Yes.
feel unsafe, Ray?
Now I can do go right at me, right at me. Now there's absolutely no wind. Time for the F-18. Go.